and later on other.
Yeah, thank you so much, Mr. Majumdar, and I'll connect to Mr. Sudarshan Jain on one point where Mr. Majumdar left in terms of not having the product specific approvals. And one of the study which we were making, that let's say till the time we reach to that stage of plant level approvals, even if let's say it's a product level, but at least there could be some mechanism where fresh environmental clearance need not be taken, at least in cases where the pollution load of the API manufacturer remains constant and existing API manufacturers are allowed to modify their product portfolio. So at least within that, system of product specific, there could be certain relaxations, and there could be certain mechanism where there could be, green clearances or some such measures. So, Mr. Jain, what will be your views? You have worked immensely along with a lot of associations, state bodies, and government departments. How you think we can best handle this entire issue, and how we can, let's say, reach to our desirable, position of being a dominant player globally?
So thank you very much, Mahavir, and let me congratulate you for getting this excellent panel. Very, very difficult to get a panel. We have got outstanding authorities, great advantage of having Godaji. He has been mentor from many of us. Dinesh has been a great friend. Amit gets insight which this industry cannot get it. And Yogin and Uday Bhaskar, we are all working together to some of the points which you are talking about. So I will once again congratulate you. Great job done. Secondly, raising to the basic point what you raised, and Yogin is doing extreme great work as far as environmental clearance is concerned, because we have been part of some committees together. Although the government came out with the guideline that if the overall environmental clearance road remains the same, you can change the product mix. But however, on the ground in various states, it happens differently. We brought it in the last meeting with Niti Aayog. We have been putting it very, very strongly. And the point which Yoginji is saying is fundamental. And we in the industry will pursue with it that since overall load remains the same, we should be allowed to change the product mix. Very, very important, and we will get going. I will take 2-3 points just before going, and I know the constraint of time. In the last 6 months, and Yogin and Godaji and Dinesh Dua, they have been part of framing this policy. There have been committees and committees which have been set up, but this policy has come in. But it will not overall, just announcement of policy will not change anything for us. We have to get into mission mode because we have lost that competitive advantage in the last 20 years. We have to build the scale, to build the whole thing. And there are suggestions which we have made for the policy, like fermentation-based product is fundamental to move forward. KPIs are fundamental to move forward. And the 500 crore investment, if we talk about, unless the import duties are taken care of, unless the pricing is taken care of, unless the assured returns take place, the investment will not flow, which is fundamental. KPIs are fundamental. 3 words which are being used globally as far as supply chain is concerned and being part of IPA discussion in all parts of the world, diversified supply chain becomes very, very important. We used to talk previously, the word is flat, theory of comparative advantage, but today comparative advantage for APIs will come in when we allow the scale to build up, and Godaji will talk about it. Scale is very, very important. We are talking that greenfield, brownfield differentiation at the moment. We are talking also exports will not be allowed. So some suggestions which we have made for this policy, and the critical thing which we need to take into account, scale, very important. Complete industry academic collaboration, environmental clearance, and getting into mission mode. That is fundamental to get moving forward as far as API is concerned. I'll pause here, Mavi, over to you.